I'm Big D.
And I'm Crawdaddy.
And this time we have a Leapster game system in the microwave. Some cheap piece of crap we found in the attic. Here it goes. Minute on the clock. And here, I can get behind here and unplug it, unless there's a danger.
Did you see
Let
that?
me see what happens. No, I don't see anything. Let's see what this does.
Yeah, I think it's fried now.
No, it's... Oh, the screen's coming on. It's good, it's good, it's good. It's good, it's good, it's good, it's good.
Mark it down.
It's good, it's not doing anything, it's good. There's just a little glow.
Or a little smoke too.
It's good.
Is there batteries in it?
It's good.
Is there batteries in it?
No.
It's smoking
It's
now.
good. There's just a little smoke coming out of it. It's good. It's good.
Chill out.
Oh, it's still good. It's just glowing. It's sparking.
Okay.
No, here, just let it run out. It's got 8 seconds left on the clock. Alright, let's look at this, see what happened to it. Whoa! Stinks. Whoa! Let's see what this baby.
See you.
Oh, dang, look at that smoke.
Let's look at this nasty little sucker.
Mark,
Yeah.
move. Mark, move.
Ugh. Ugh. Phew. I want to get a gas mask.
You YouTube viewers wish you could smell this smoke.
Ugh.
It's toxic. I think it's toxic.
Well, alright. Keep it playing, keep playing. Alright, time for a little tinfoil now.
Go tinfoil and
No.
that in there.
Alex, we need to make a separate YouTube video. So it's our YouTube video.